Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make 4 different UKG-flavoured operator presets using only sine waves. These presets will be available for free in the description, and the download includes a bonus 5th. I am using some loops of splice for the drums since it's good to hear things in context. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can suggest ideas for future videos in the comments. Let's get into it. I had to start with this OG warper, which I've made in both massive and serum countless times. I'll leave the free versions of these synth patches in the description. But how's it made in Operator? First, we want to go to the global tab and change the voices to 1. So Operator is monophonic. Next, we'll select the square algorithm. We'll start by taking oscillator A's coarse down to 0.5. Then we want a slow attack. And a much longer decay. I'll take the sustain and release down to. Then we can right click on the middle part of oscillator B and choose copy from oscillator A. Next, take B's coarse up to 1, increase the attack, and decrease the decay. Then take the level down to around -19. I'm going to add an EQ3 here and increase the sub by 6 dB since the FM attenuates the sub-frequencies. You could also copy A to C, and this is why I changed the algorithm shape, but I find adding another oscillator adds more pops and clicks, which seems particularly problematic for Operator. I will leave a version with A copy to C as part of the download, so you can reactivate C and experiment for yourself. I also like tweaking the tone knob. Let's add some inserts. I've added saturator, EQ, chorus, and sidechain from the kick. And I'm going to add some reverb via send. For this project, I'm using this basement preset. Let's listen in context. Next, we have this Wobbly bass. I'm using it in a dubstep context here, but it is quite garagey. Let's delete everything and add a new instance of Operator. Again, one voice. We can put the tone at 100. Let's take A down to 0.5. Take the attack and decay up. And sustain and release down. Then for B, we can copy over oscillator A. Take the coarse to 1. Level down to -15. And decay down. Then we can copy B to C. Take the fine up. And the level down. Plus we'll increase the attack. A good way to attenuate the clicks you might be hearing is to add a filter. Let's add some inserts and listen in context. Next, we have this new warper, which is a modern take on our first sound. We'll change it to monophonic. Select the L-shaped algorithm and put the tone at 100. We're making the envelope shape similar to the previous patches. And we're going to take the coarse down by 0.5. Let's copy A to B so we have a nice solid sub once we start using FM. Now let's copy A to C. Take the coarse to 1, the fine to 7, and the level down. Now we'll copy C to D. Take the coarse up to 2. Fine to 15. And then we'll tweak the levels. Then for D, we can increase the attack and decrease the decay. I'll add an LFO on the pitch to make the bass sound a bit more rough and ready. Let's add some inserts. Finally, we have this deep bass. So again, we're deleting everything and adding operator. We'll take oscillator A down to 0.5 and tweak the envelope. We want more of a pluck shape this time. Let's copy A to B. Take the coarse up to 1. Take the fine up a little. And take the level to minus 22 dB. Then we can alter the decay. Next, I'll copy B to C. And we'll take the fine up to 10. Take the level down just a smidge. And take the decay down as well. Finally, I'm going to select the PRD filter. I'm going to add some filter drive as well. Now we can add processing and reverb. Honestly, I would still use Serum for the majority of my basses, and Vital is a great option, but the serial nature of Operator's algorithms does make FM synthesis a bit easier to learn. The main pitfall of Operator for me is that it doesn't sound as clean as Wavetable synths, particularly with all the pops and clicks. Maybe I'll do a video on Ableton's Wavetable to compare them all, and that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.